Windows Copilot is out. So in this training, we're going to learn how we can enable it. If you haven't enabled it yet, we're going to learn how to enable it using CMD, command prompt, with administrator privileges. Now, if you're using Windows stable version, you don't need to enable it because you have to wait. For us, we are using for training purposes, so we enable it to teach you sooner than you expected. And that can help us to deliver a good content and deliver subjects and titles. So we are enabling this first, and then we're going to learn how we can use Copilot in Windows 11 environment. This is a preview version. That means we still don't have access to the full privileges and to the full benefits. So we are going to test and try. It's basically the newer version of ChatGPT, but it's less than that. So it can be like, it's not very ChatGPT 4, but it's in between. Using Bing search engine, it'll help you to create and get newer content on the internet and get that content and edit it and revise it and copy it for your own. Now, this Windows Copilot is tricky because you still need to have Microsoft Edge development channel. Now, first thing first, you have to be in Windows 11 Insider, and then once you're enrolled in, then please enable Dev channel version of Windows. Once you do that, please go and download the Microsoft Edge channel version or Dev channel version, the development version. And basically you will get updates by week, and that's why it is called Dev version. So once you do that, we're gonna do the command prompt using a software that is totally free, and then we can enable it. By default, it is not available into Windows Dev version, even though, so we have to enable it. But mostly after this version, you will have access automatically and you don't need to enable it by your own. Now, whenever you use Windows stable version, you don't need to do all this stuff. It's already enabled and you can get access to it and you can work with it. So get prepared to use Windows Copilot with anything. Now, Windows Copilot is more than ChatGPT because you can mix things up with any Office software or any Microsoft software. So it helps you with many ways. So whenever you're writing a topic or a novel or anything, or you want to proofread, it can help you that. If you want to maybe attach some links and explain it later, that can help you too. If you want to use it for research purposes, for financial tips, even for advice and tips, this Copilot can help you. So this is the preview version. Let's learn deeply like what we can do in this first version.